Hi friends, welcome to this week's video. Today I'm sharing with you what is best described as a nursery tour. I'm going to give you a look at Maahi's room. It's the room where he sleeps, where we do most of his baby care. He plays a lot in this room, although he does play all over the apartment. I'm going to show you some of the furniture, some of the areas in his room that I really like, that I'm most proud of. I'll also try to mention prices where possible. Some of the things that we bought in Maahi's room were purchased secondhand, to be honest, and I think that's a great way to save money because babies are expensive. So I will try to give you an idea of how much things cost as I tidy up and clean up this room. I'm filming this on a day when Maahi is not at home. He's with his grandparents, which is the perfect opportunity for me to reset the nursery because it tends to get out of hand all the time. The first thing I'm going to put away is this Jolly Jumper baby exerciser that we actually purchased from Kijiji. What I like most about this jumper is that you can have baby nearby, but you can be hands-off while doing something else. Its next best feature, in my opinion, is that it's collapsible, so you can put it away behind a door or in a closet. This is the Diaper Cart. It is for storing diapers, bibs, washcloths, other baby care related items. I thought that this was a brilliant idea.
I just pulled this out of Maahi's mouth and there goes the diaper cart. Oh my goodness. He felt the need to consume this tag. That is an oversight on my part because this is something that a kid can eat.
The reason why I thought it was so brilliant was because you could roll the diaper cart anywhere in the apartment. But as it turns out, we mostly change him in his room. And on top of that, Maahi is constantly removing things from the diaper cart and it requires perpetual resetting. To give you an idea of what the diaper cart contains, well, diapers obviously, and then moisturizer, sunscreen, some eczema balm. Maahi had quite a bit of dry skin early on. He still has a bit of dry skin from time to time, but this Aveeno eczema care has really worked wonders for his skin, I have to say. It's a really nice product and a little goes a long way. We've had that tub since he was born. We also have diaper cream, some baby powder, which I don't use that often, but it was given to me, so we have it there. And then on the second level of the diaper cart, they're more medicinal items or items that we use less often, things like gripe water, Tylenol, polysporin, saline drops, vitamin D3, little things that you might need but you don't really know if you necessarily need them. And then next to that we have washcloths. We're always in need of a washcloth here and there, and they do end up everywhere all over the apartment, so we're constantly picking them up, putting them in the laundry. And then we also have some bibs here as well. I really like these bandana bibs. They're very absorbent. I got them from Amazon. I got 2 sets. Each contained 8 bibs, and I think they were around $17 or $18, so not too expensive, and they wash well. I also like that they have snaps instead of Velcro. Down below there's a burp cloth, a receiving blanket, some coconut oil for when we do his massages, and a brand new cream, as well as unopened formula. Toward the beginning of the pandemic, we were fostering stray cats and kittens, and I got this collapsible playpen for the kittens. Then one day it occurred to me that I could use this playpen for my own child, and to be honest, it works out just beautifully. We got these balls, 100 balls from walmart.ca. We empty them into the playpen, put Maahi inside, and he kicks them around. He really likes spending time in this playpen, and what I love about it is the fact that it is collapsible and portable. Whenever we hang out at the park, we are sure to carry this playpen with us.
I see you! Peekaboo!
Oh, there goes the spit. And he's eating it again.
There is definitely a trick to folding it, but once you figure that out, it's quite easy to do, and because we use it so often, I simply tuck it under his side table along with the balls. I need to say a quick word about Rumi, one of our cats. This transition, having a baby brother, has not been easy for him. He's a very loving cat, but he does like to be in the thick of things, and sometimes he is a little underfoot. So when Maahi is not home, I try to spend as much time with him as possible, make sure that he knows he is a valued member of this family. I'm grabbing anything and everything that requires washing in Maahi's room, including his crib sheet. Now we do have a mattress protector on the little mattress, and it has come in very handy for spit ups and diaper accidents. And then we have exactly 4 sheets for Maahi's crib. We have a thicker flannel sheet, which we used quite a bit in the winter, and then 3 lighter sheets. Oh, that's a breathing monitor, by the way. It's part of his monitor system. It also happens to monitor breath, which is really great. We used to hang toys in Maahi's crib when he would wake up from a nap just to entertain him a little bit. That doesn't work anymore, so I'm putting these links away until we need them again. They come in a package called Lots of Links. Now this was actually a gift from my friend Daniela. She's a mom of 2, and this is one of her must-have baby items. Here I'm tidying up the cribside table. A lot of Maahi's toys tend to accumulate in that spot. Maahi does not have a lot of toys. In spite of that, we do switch them around from time to time. I will sometimes put certain toys away for a few days or a week and then take them out again so that they maintain at least some novelty. And that's what I'm doing with the hedgehog and the Manhattan toy. And this toy was a recent acquisition from IKEA.
Yes, baby. Good boy!
He is currently learning how to play with this style of transfer toy.
Put your bum in the camera.
Free?
Such an exhibitionist.
And because he's so interested in this toy, I'm keeping it on the floor where it's easily accessible to him. The change table is another place where things tend to accumulate. Here I am cleaning the same change table not 2 days prior. That's water that I didn't drink. I don't need to change the change pad cover because I actually did that earlier that morning, but I'm removing all of the items that have landed there, like these library books that we need to exchange, Maahi's swimming costume. He has been spending time in the pool these days, and I am disinfecting this table because we change diapers there and things get on the table.
Namaste. Namaste.
Namaste, Maahi.
Namaste.
This is an IKEA change table. However, we purchased ours off of Kijiji. It has some imperfections, but I'm not at all stuck on that because this is a very practical change table. I like the way that it folds up. I like this open compartment. Rumi sleeps in this box on top of the receiving blankets, so I'm going to freshen his blankets as well. And I'm also going to fold and put away some of Maahi's laundry. Maahi has 6 sleepers. I know that seems like not very many, but we just try to stay on top of the laundry as much as possible. And to be honest, we go through onesies a lot faster than we go through sleepers. So he definitely has many more of those. I am very proud of these 2 little shelves. I put them up myself, and I'm not a very handy person, so that was an accomplishment for me. It's Maahi's bookshelf, and he has a couple of books here. The touch and feel books are great because he can interact with them more now. They were a gift from his surrogate mom. This book is more for parents, although I guess babies can enjoy looking at it too. It taught us quite a bit of the basic signs that we continue to use with Maahi to this day. Above the crib, I have a bit of artwork, but it's not really baby specific, it's more Canada specific. Every province that we've gone to, we've picked up a poster or a postcard, and I really like the idea of a nursery not really having nursery specific art. That was a personal preference of mine. This picture ledge is more of my handiwork. I put that up. We have an image of the night sky on the night that Maahi was born. It was a gift from very dear friends of ours, and this picture of my father and I doesn't belong here, but here we are on a camel in India in 1985. Now this baby Ganesh is Maahi's favorite toy at the moment. He is accurate with broken tusk and miniature modak, which I absolutely love. There are recordings of 3 mantras and shlokas that you can hear when you squeeze his tummy. I am looking forward to teaching Maahi about the symbolism in this toy, specifically the broken tusk and why Ganesh has an elephant head, but that is a story for another day. And if you don't know it is fascinating, so please look it up. Also on my shelf, I have the cover of my favorite Amar Chitra Katha, which is Mirabai, and the cover of a book that was never written. Tintin au Vietnam is not one of the original 24 Tintin comic books, but there you have it. I don't know if a windowsill is really part of a room. Oh yeah, it's part of the window, which is in the room. We have a little canoe paddle painted by my father, a couple of books. They're a little bit advanced for Maahi, but I have them there nonetheless. I do read to him quite a bit. This picture frame has been in every house we've ever lived in. There are pictures from early on in our courtship. A picture of our nieces, who are both, big, beautiful teenagers now. And this image of Buddha, which has also been in every home that we've ever lived in. As I picked up those last few items and set out a new sleep sack for Maahi to use that night, I was pretty much done with the tidying and resetting of the nursery on that day. And of course, as soon as he came home and we set him down in the nursery, he immediately undid quite a lot of my hard work, but that's okay. It has also taken me some time to accept the fact that that's okay. Having a baby has been an adjustment, of course, and we are always reminding ourselves that alongside Maahi, we are also learning. This nursery is never going to be Instagrammable. It's certainly not picture perfect, but that's okay. There's a lot of pressure, I think. We see these very perfect images of parenthood on social media, and it is nothing like that, or at least it hasn't been like that in my experience, and I don't think it's a healthy ideal to strive for either. Also, I'm too old and I don't have the energy for that, honestly. Anyway, thanks for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at the nursery. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. I post videos every Monday, and I hope that you're well and safe and happy and healthy wherever you are. And I'll see you next week with something else. Okay, bye-bye.